Welcome back to the Cars News Update channel. The 2026 Audi A5 Sportback is a significant evolution in Audi's product line, replacing the A4 model that has been around for 3 decades. The change is in line with Audi's new naming strategy, where odd numbers are reserved for hybrids and internal combustion engines, while even numbers are reserved for fully electric models. The exterior of the 2026 A5 Sportback features a more modern and dynamic design. The single-frame grille with honeycomb accents is flatter and wider, giving a sporty impression. LED headlights are standard, with matrix LED options for optimal lighting. The rear features a trapezoidal diffuser between the exhaust tips, adding to the wide and solid impression. The interior offers a 10.1-inch MMI touchscreen and a 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit, providing a sophisticated digital experience. For the 2026 A5 Sportback engine, it is equipped with a 2.0 TFSI engine with 2 output options, 190 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque for front-wheel drive FWD, acceleration 0 to 100 km/h in 7.5 seconds, maximum speed 241 km/h, 245 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque for quattro drive, acceleration 0 to 100 km/h in 5.9 seconds, maximum speed 250 km/h. Fuel consumption is efficient, with 6.0 liters per 100 km outside the city and 9.2 liters per 100 km in the city. Availability in Indonesia. In Indonesia, the A5 Sportback is available in several variants, including front-wheel drive and quattro. Prices start at 1.248 billion Indonesian rupiahs off the road. Exterior color choices include Tango Red Metallic, Turbo Blue, Daytona Gray Pearlescent, Ibis White, and Mythos Black Metallic. Important notes: Audi has discontinued the production of coupe and convertible models, including the A5 Coupe, in the United States market. However, for the Indonesian market, the A5 Sportback is still available with the latest features and specifications. With these significant changes, the 2026 Audi A5 Sportback offers a combination of elegant design, high performance, and advanced technology, meeting consumer expectations for a modern premium sedan.